Okay, so in our last lecture, I have showed you how we can score a perfect score and make our application a progressive web app. So now in this lecture, I'm going to show you how we can use webhooks with our WordPress sourcing website. So whenever we publish a new article or update a previous one, our web page is going to rebuild from Netlify. So in order to do that, go ahead and inside of your WordPress, go to plugins, and you want to add a new plugin. Now we would want to search for webhooks here, and we would want to install this WP webhooks. So install that, and we would need to activate it. Okay, it's installed. Now we need to activate it. Okay, so we can find that in settings and WP webhooks. And here we're going to set up our webhooks. Go to settings. And we need to save the data for sent data or new post on post update and on post deletion. So select those. Click on them and click on Save All. Okay, now that you have saved your settings, let's go to Netlify and copy the URL which we need to send our webhook. So let's go to Site Settings and to Build and Deploy, and let's go and copy our build hook. So let's copy that and let's go to Send Data. We need to send data to our Netlify server. So on data post, we need to paste our webhook here and save it. On post update, we need to save that too. And on data post deletion, we need to send data for the post deletion. So now you currently have webhooks. Whenever you update, delete, or create a new post, the website is going to be rebuilt and we're going to have the new post on our web page. So let's go ahead and add a new post so we can check if everything is fine. Gatsby tutorial WordPress Webhooks. Okay, and here we would want to type something like, this is a web tutorial on how to use webhooks on WordPress. And let's go ahead and set featured image. Let's choose one from the library. Let's choose this, for example. Set it as a featured image and let's publish it. Okay, it's publishing and it should send our webhook a notification that we need to rebuild our project. So let's go and see the overview. Okay, as you can see, the deploy was triggered by a hook and we are currently building our project again. And after it has been built, it's going to have our new post in there. So this was it for this lecture. I hope you enjoyed it.